Hey guys, Akib here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Alcatel 1T10 tablet. It's a gift for my little brother. So yeah, here are the specs. Display 10.1 inch, 16 gigabytes ROM, and 1 gigabyte RAM. It's pretty good, and yeah, we're going to be unboxing it. So here it is, and let's open this. Here we go. Here it is. Ta-da! Here's the tablet. It's black, and it has Alcatel on the back, stuff like that. And here's the packaging and stuff. Here is the brick thing for the charger. Kind of looks like a hat. And the rest is in the box. Manuals. And the main charger. It is a micro USB charger. And yeah, so here's the tablet. It's over here. Here's the back. There's a camera here, and I think the slot for the SD card. Yeah, there's a speaker on the back. Yeah. So this is the Alcatel 1T10 tablet, unboxed, and let's go give it to my little brother.